गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। चैप्टर थर्ड कंप्लीट हो गया था, थ्योरी पार्ट अपने इंग्लिश मीडियम के लिए। और अब हम बात करेंगे इंग्लिश मीडियम के लिए न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स की बात करेंगे। देखो, न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो है दैट इज ऑल फिजिकल क्वांटिटी शुड बी इन एसआई यूनिट। जो भी आपको फिजिकल क्वांटिटी है उसको एसआई यूनिट में यूज करना है ना, सिस्टम ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल यूनिट, उसको यूज करना है। तो न्यूमेरिकल से पहले कुछ प्रीफिक्सेस ऑफ द यूनिट आपको जो काम आएंगे उनके बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं कि व्हाट इज द प्रीफिक्सेस ऑफ द यूनिट। लाइक सेंटीमीटर, मिलीमीटर, मीटर इज द यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ बट सेंटी इज द प्रीफिक्स बिफोर यूनिट। millimeter, meter is the unit but milli is the prefix. So here centi, milli, micro, nano, pico. Centi means 10 की power -2, milli means 10 की power -3, micro means 10 की power -6, nano means 10 की power -9. Always remember that centi, milli, micro, nano, pico. Pico means 10 की power -12. If examples 1 centimeter, this is the unit but it's not a unit, so centi is replaced by 10 की power -2. Millimeter, mm, 10 की power -3. Micro, coulomb, this is the unit of charge. Coulombs is the unit of charge, so here micro is 10 की power -6 coulomb. Nanometer 10 की power -9 meter. It's very simple for you. 10 की power -2, -3, -6, -9. So always remember that in numerical problem you have to convert microcoulomb into coulomb, millimeter into meter. All physical quantity is in SI unit, right? Now the value of electrostatic constant. Generally K is very useful for us in numerical problem. Value of electric constant, electrostatic constant और coulomb's constant for vacuum, इसकी जो value practically found जो होती है, practically आती है, and that is very common value and fixed value. K equals to 1/4 pi epsilon naught. This is called as epsilon naught. Electric permittivity for vacuum. Again I repeat, electric permittivity for vacuum epsilon naught. Its value is 9 into 10 की whole value is 9 into 10 की power 9 Newton into meter square upon coulomb square. This is from first unit. Always from first unit Coulomb's law जो है, this is very simple. Coulomb's law for electric force, very common. F is directly proportional to q1 q2 r square. This proportionality sign removed by a constant k, q1 q2 upon r square, where k is electrostatic constant and the value for vacuum is 9 into 10 की power 9. Note number third, in this unit V, electric potential V equals to K into, वैसे अपन प्रीवियस क्लास में डिस्कस कर चुके, K into चार्ज विद साइन डिवाइड बाई क्या हो गया, डिस्टेंस. दिस इज द मेन फॉर्मूला. V equals to W upon Q naught. Generally another formula of electric potential, work upon carrying test charge, unit charge. Now we discuss about the numerical problem. Today we discuss main the numericals on equilateral triangle, for square, for hexagon और for triangle. potential energy like this. potential energy का फॉर्मूला भी आपको पता ही है, टॉपिक अपन ने क्लियर किया था. नोट पॉइंट नंबर 4 तो आप देख लो, जो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टम, दिस इज k q1 q2 अपॉन r, राइट. सो फ्रॉम योर बुक राजस्थान बोर्ड सिलेबस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, 3 charges of 1 microcoulomb, 2 microcoulomb and 3. There is no sign, that is all threes are positive charge. 1 microcoulomb, 2 microcoulomb and 3 microcoulomb are placed at the vertices of equilateral triangle of side 100 centimeter. First we draw a equilateral triangle of side A equals to 100 centimeter. What do you mean by the 100 centimeter? This is the 1 meter because 100 centimeter means 1 meter. 1 meter साइड का इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल आपको शो कर रहा है इसके अंदर. And there are 3 charges placed on this. 1 microcoulomb, another is 2 microcoulomb, and the third one is 3 microcoulomb. All are positive charge according to book. So Q1 equals to 1 microcoulomb, Q2 equals to 2 microcoulomb, and Q3 equals to 3 microcoulomb. Now the side is given and you have to find the electric potential at its center. आपको यहाँ पे V फाइंड आउट करना है. दिस इज द डिस्टेंस R. वी नो दैट V इक्वल्स टू वही फॉर्मूला जो पहले डिस्कस किया था, V1 प्लस V2 प्लस V3. पोटेंशियल अकर एट O point due to all charges of the system. There are 3 charges, so this is K upon R, and here what? This is sigma Q. Here sigma Q क्या होगा? Sigma Q equals to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. If you add all charges, then there is 6 microcoulomb. 6 into micro is the prefix, 10 की power minus 6 coulomb. Okay? नाउ डिस्टेंस, अब आपको जो डिस्टेंस लेनी है, डिस्टेंस R, ये जो डिस्टेंस है वर्टेक्स टू सेंटर डिस्टेंस, वर्टेक्स टू सेंटर डिस्टेंस फॉर इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल, एंड इट इज वेरी सिंपल. फॉर इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल R इक्वल्स टू A अपॉन √3. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर A अपॉन √3. नाउ यू पुट इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. ये आप सब वैल्यू आप पुट कर दो इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में. तो V इक्वल्स टू K अपॉन A की पावर √3 इंटू समेशन Q. दिस इज √3 K ऊपर जाएगा डिवाइड बाई A साइड एंड समेशन Q. नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज एंड सॉल्व इट. √3 इज 1.73, K इज 9 इंटू 10 की पावर 9 डिवाइड बाई A इज 1 एंड सिग्मा Q इज 6 into 10 की पावर minus 6. V equal to 1.73 into 9 into 6 without 10 raised to power 9 or 10 raised to power minus 6. So this is 10 की power 9, 10 की power minus 6. If you multiply 1.73 into 9 6 जा 54 into 10 की power of 3. And if you solve, then you will obtain the value of electric potential in volt. Very simple. You can easily find out after multiply 1.73 into 54. Okay, into 10 की power 3. So this is the first numerical. 3 charges are placed on equilateral triangle of side 100 centimeter, and find the potential at its center. Okay. Now we will continue with the next numerical. Same for the square. There are 4 vertices, 4 corners. So there are 4 charges is placed on it. नोट कर लें आप इसको. यस, कंटिन्यू आपका जो है स्क्वायर. क्वेश्चन नंबर आपका जो स्क्वायर से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 स्क्वायर शेप है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 की बात कर रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन 3, ए स्क्वायर ऑफ साइड √2 मीटर. मीन्स आपको साइड गिवन है √2 मीटर. देयर आर 4 चार्जेस प्लेस्ड ऑन इट्स कॉर्नर. On its vertices 100 microcoulomb, 100 microcoulomb minus 50 microcoulomb plus 60 plus 20 microcoulomb and minus 60 microcoulomb. There are 4 charges. Then find electric potential. Find electric potential at its center. आपको इसके सेंटर पे पोटेंशियल फाइंड आउट करना है. नाउ कंटिन्यू करेंगे सॉल्यूशन के लिए. Electric potential. First we draw a square of side √2 meter. A equals to √2. A. There are 4 charges Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Both places at vertices. Here Q1 is 100 microcoulomb means plus. Q2 is minus 50 microcoulomb. Q3 is plus 20 microcoulomb and Q4 is minus of 60 microcoulomb, right? Side is also given √2 meter. Now we want to find the value of electric potential at its center. This is the center. Here we want to find the value of V. There are 4 charges are at vertices, and find the electric potential at center. So there are 4 charges. तो total potential at center due to four charges in the system, V1, V2, V3 and V4, right? It can be write like this, K upon R into sigma Q, right? V1, V2, V3, V4, sigma Q. So here, yes, you can easily find the sigma Q. Sigma Q is Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4. चार्जेस को ऐड करें आप 120, 120 minus 110. So it should be 10 microcoulomb and 10 into micro 10 की power minus 6. Prefix changes and R is what here? R is vertex to center distance for square. Center distance for square. What is this? Here for square it is A upon root 2, that is side upon root 2. है ना? So here this is side is root 2 and root 2. So it will be 1 meter. Very simple. R equals to 1 meter. Put all value in 1. Put all value in equation first. Then what happened with the equation first? Yes. Please tell me. K is 9 into 10 की power 9 divided by R is 1, A upon root 2, side upon root 2. Side, this is the R. Side is root 2 by root 2, 1. And sigma Q is 10 into 10 की power of minus 6. It can be written as, if the base is same, then power will be at minus 5 coulomb. So here we write minus 5 coulomb. After solving, 9 minus 5, so it will be, 9 into 10 की power 4, and the unit of electric potential is now again a question for hexagon. Hexagon question 10 centimeter. Question number 6. A hexagon of side 10 centimeter. Side A equal to 10 centimeter. Means 10 into 10 की power minus 2. So A equal to 10 की power minus 1 meter, right? And 5 microcoulomb charge is placed at its all vertices. इसके सब vertices पे जो charge है वो 5 microcoulomb placed है. Find electric potential at center. Find electric potential at center. पहले बना लेते हैं हेक्सागन. ये हेक्सागन हो गया. साइड A साइड, सेंटर को ज्वाइन कर लो. R distance. Okay, you have to find the value of electric potential at its center. It's very easy. V find out करना है और A आपको given है. Solution: 5 microcoulomb charge Q, all equal charges, where Q is 5 microcoulomb. 5 microcoulomb. Micro means 10 की power minus 6. Hexagon 5 6 charges are placed at vertices and the distance from center is R. So here V equal to V1 up to V6. So V equal to K upon R. It can be written as sigma Q. So V equal to equation number first formula. Here sigma Q is Q1 to Q6. All charges are same. Q plus Q. How many times? There are 6 times. So sigma Q is equal to 6Q. 6 into 5 into 10 की power minus 6 coulomb. This is the total charge of the system. Okay, add sigma summation Q. Again for hexagon बताया था मैंने आपको previous lecture में R equals to A, vertex to center distance equal the side, और here side is what? Here side is 10 की power minus 1. Put all value in 1. Then what happened? Yes, V equal to K की वैल्यू बोलिए 9 into 10 की power 9, the value of k is this for vacuum, and the value of r, that is side is 10 की power minus 1, and the sigma q is what? This is the 30. If you multiply, then 30 into 10 की power of minus 6. Then here 9 into 10 की power 10, 30 into 10 की power minus 6. If you multiply 30 to 9, this is 270 into 10 की power, again here 30 to 9, 270, 10 की power 10, 10 की power minus 6, then 10 की power 4, and the unit of potential is volt. Very simple. Okay, so this is the question of square and this is the question of hexagon. Now we continue with the same topic for electric potential energy. Find electric potential energy of the system. If there are 3 charges, if there are 4 charges are placed at the vertices of the equilateral triangle or for square, then how you can find out the value of electric potential? Okay, so continue करेंगे. आप इसको नोट कर लें, रफ कर रहा हूं मैं इसको. Yes. 3 charges. Next question for question number 13. Find work done to placed. Find work done to placed 3 charges. Placed charges plus q, plus 2q and plus 4q at the corner of equilateral triangle of side A. Solution. आपको equilateral triangle side A के corners पे place करने हैं. There are 3 charges placed on equilateral triangle. This is first charge, this is the second charge, and this is the third charge. This is plus q, this is plus 2q, this is plus 4q. At the side is A, and A. There are 3 charge systems. So the work done here, work done is equal to the potential energy. Work done for placing the charges equal to electric potential energy of system for 3 charge system. You always know that Vk Q1 Q2 upon R with sign. So here total electric potential energy of 3 charge system. 3 charge system is what? U equal to 3 charge system means 1, 2, 3. There are 3 charges. So the 1 to 2, 1 to 3 and 2 to 3 combine करेंगे with respect to 1 के साथ 2, 1 के साथ 3, then 2 के साथ 3. So total potential energy of the system U12, U13, 1, 2, 1, 3. 1 complete. Continue with 2, 2 go forward, 2 और 3. Formula apply करेंगे U. This is K Q1 first, Q2 upon R12. K Q1 Q3 divide by R13. Distance between first and third charge. K Q2 Q3 upon R23. From figure, from diagram, put values. अब आप तसल्ली से इसकी values put करेंगे. Very simple. From diagram it is clear that K first charge, this is the first charge. Yes, here first charge tell me plus Q, and the second charge this is plus 2Q, right? And the distance between first and second, 1, 2. So here is, this is for R12. Here is A. Again carry with 1, 3. K first charge, please. Q third charge, plus 4q divided by distance r13. This is the distance r13 a. Now here q2 means plus 2q, q3 means plus 4q, and distance r23 is what? Here is also u equal to kqqa common hai, kqqa common. Then what happened? This is 2, this is 4, this is 8. Okay, so this is k q square upon a 14. This is 14 kq square upon a, and its unit is joule. So very simple question. You have to place 3 charges on equilateral triangle of side A. Then the work done is equal to the potential energy, and the potential energy is 14 kq square upon a, and its unit is joule. Okay. And the same question, important question, question number 17. Three charges q, 2q and xq. 3 charges q, 2q and xq are placed at corner of equilateral triangle of side R. Find value of x for which potential energy of system equals 0. Equal to 0. Important question है, आपको x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी, जिसके लिए सिस्टम की पोटेंशियल एनर्जी क्या हो जाए? 0 के इक्वल हो जाए. तो पहले अपन सिस्टम की पोटेंशियल एनर्जी फाइंड आउट करेंगे, देन इसको 0 के इक्वेट करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट वी ड्रॉ इक्विलेटरल. This is the first charge, second charge and third charge. First charge is plus q, second charge is plus 2q, and the third charge is xq, right? And the side is r. Here, total potential energy of system, you can easily find out. Please tell me, u equals to, same thing is 1 2 1 3, 1 2 1 3. Now with 2, this is 2 3. Okay, yes, k q1 q2 upon r12, k q1 q3 upon r13, k q2 q3 upon r23. If you put the value q1, first charge is here what? Plus q. First charge is plus q. q2 plus 2q, right? And the distance between first and second is r. Again k, first charge q, third charge xq divided by distance is same r. Same repeat. Second or third charge. Second charge 2q, third charge xq, distance is r. नोट करना है आप, इसको स्क्रीनशॉट्स लेने, इसमें से कुछ कॉमन लूंगा. इसको रफ कर रहे हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. Now common, right side से k q q upon r. Then what remaining? Remaining in the bracket 2. Here x, and that is 2x. Check it. K q q r, so 2. K q q r, so x. K q q r, so there is 2 and x, so that is 2x. U equal to k q square upon r. If we add, this is 3x plus 2, equation number first. According to question, from question, u equal to 0 आप put कर दें, put in 1. So 0 equal to k q square upon r 3x plus 2, which implies that it's never equal to 0. So that is a chance 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So 3x equals to minus 2, x equal to minus 2 by this is our answer, for which the value of x is minus of 2 by 3. Important question है. तो ये अपने कुछ वी और यू से रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट हुए। अगले लेक्चर में अपन कुछ क्वेश्चंस और डिस्कस करेंगे, है ना। इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एंड द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी डिस्कस अबाउट द ग्रेडियंट फॉर्म एंड वी ड्यू टू द चार्ज spherical body and also discuss with another question. Okay, thank you so much.